Hey everyone! Here's how to get a free AliExpress promo code for your next shopping spree. First, go to easycoupon.co/ALI or scan the QR code on the screen to go straight to the site. Enter your email so the promo code can be sent to your inbox. I'll go ahead and put mine in to show you how it works. Choose your device, either Apple or Android, then click Continue. The site will generate your AliExpress promo code. To confirm you're a real person, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are safe, free apps with millions of users. After installing, open each app for about a minute. You might be prompted to reach level 9 in a game or answer a survey. This is part of the verification and totally worth it to get your promo code. I'll fast forward here with some music while I finish this up. All done. Checking my email. And there's my AliExpress promo code. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Happy shopping on AliExpress.